Hi, this video is to show you how to suspend a deduction for a benefit that should remain active on an employee record. So I've logged into the demo company as Kathy Watts, the Director of Payroll and HR. And what we need to do is to pull up our employee and go to his record, and then I'm going to show you how to suspend his deduction. So let's go to Paul Peterson. And we're going to go to his HR tab. And right here we see his benefit plans. So a deduction that's associated with a benefit plan actually has to be adjusted from inside the benefit plan itself. So for Paul, he is not going to have to pay his deduction for a period of time, but he still needs to be covered by his medical plan. So I'm going to drill down in his Aetna HMO, and we can see that his deduction started in October, but it goes on until the end of time, as does his coverage. So what we want to do with that, to suspend his deduction and yet allow his coverage to continue, is we're just going to change his deduction effective to date. I'm just going to click on today, but let's say that we really want it to stop as of the last day of August. So he's not going to take any deductions out starting on September 1st. So I've changed it to 8/31. I'm going to give it a save. And then when I go back to Paul's record, we can go to his payroll tab, go to the deductions widget, and we can go to the medical deduction and see that it has been changed to 8/31. So that's the last date that his deduction will come out. But again, if we look at his benefit plans down here at the bottom, we can see that his coverage goes on until 12/31 of $99.99. So he's still fully covered, but he personally is not having any money coming out of his account for this at this time. When the time comes to turn on his deduction again, all we have to do is open up the deduction or the benefit plan, and we'll put in his new start date and change his effective to date or his end date to match the coverage effective date. So that's all there is to the suspension of deductions. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to support@cs3technology.com.